Spiritual Manthan.
Have you ever woken up one morning and felt like the universe had hit the reset button on your life? Like you've been unplugged from the old matrix and jacked into a brand new reality that still smells of cosmic paint? If the dark night of the soul dragged you through its shadowy corridors, you already know the taste of spiritual demolition. But what comes after the breakdown? Grab a mug of something warm, friend, because we're about to unpack the 8 powerful stages that follow the dark night of the soul, and how each one rewires your reality from the inside out. The mirror shatters. Picture stumbling into your bathroom at dawn, wiping steam off the mirror, and bam! A stranger stares back. The first stage is that jarring recognition that the old you just went extinct. You're standing in psychic rubble, holding mismatched shards of identity like, wait, who was I again? Why it matters? This mirror shatter is your cosmic audit. All the stories you once sold yourself gone. Your move, instead of super gluing gold labels back together, breathe into the blank space. It's valuable real estate for the real you that's about to bloom. Phoenix heat. Remember the mythic bird who combusts before it flies? That's you, minus the feathers. The dark night burned away illusions, but the embers are still sizzling. Emotions flare, habits cling, temptations whisper like seductive sirens. Why it matters? Fires forge steel. Your character is tempering. Your move, channel the heat. Journaling, cold showers, impossible yoga poses, whatever keeps you moving forward instead of melting down. Discipline isn't a punishment, it's a blacksmith's hammer. The great May dissatisfaction zone. Suddenly, your favorite playlist sounds like elevator music. Pizza tastes like cardboard. Even scrolling social media, zero dopamine. Welcome to the spiritual detox. External hits stop satisfying because your soul just upgraded its operating system. Why it matters? This May is a compass pointing inward. Your move, swap consumption for contribution. Cook a meal for a neighbor, volunteer, plant herbs, something that pours outward. Spoiler, giving flips the joy switch you've been slapping in the wrong direction. Reality glitches. Ever notice repeating numbers on the clock? Random strangers finishing your sentences? Coincidences stacking like Tetris blocks? You're glitching the matrix, my friend. Your frequency no longer syncs with yesterday's timeline, so reality hiccups to keep up. Why it matters? Synchronicity is the universe's wink confirmation you're aligned. Your move, keep a weird journal. Document every DJ view. Feather on the sidewalk, cryptic dream. Patterns reveal purpose. Double life mode. Outwardly, you're still brewing coffee, meeting deadlines, laughing at dad jokes. Inwardly, you're decoding starlight. It feels like being Clark Kent in khakis, while Superman ripples beneath. Why it matters? Integration takes time. Rushing the reveal can fry circuits, yours and others. Your move, protect the sapling. Share your awakening only with souls who water, not trample. Meanwhile, let daily life be your dojo. Practice compassion in checkout lines and patience in traffic jams. The damaged fruit season. Not everyone loves your glow up. Some friends ghost. Family rolls eyes. They liked old you because it fit their puzzle. Now you're a piece from a different box. Why it matters? Rejection prunes dead branches so new growth gets sunlight. Your move, feel the sting, bless them, release. Loneliness is a sacred cocoon where wings form. Trust that new tribe is inbound. The ukulele period. Why a ukulele? Because it's quirky, unexpected, and makes joyful noise. This stage brings fresh faces, people you'd never have pictured in your old contact list. Conversations go from small talk to soul talk in 60 seconds. Why it matters? Resonance replaces relevance. You magnetize allies tuned to your new frequency. Your move, say yes to odd invitations, a pottery class, a night hike, an open mic poem. Serendipity loves brave hearts. The twilight zone of manifestation. The veil thins. Thoughts morph into events with Amazon Prime speed. You dream of a blue butterfly, and one lands on your windowsill. Exciting? Absolutely. Only if you broadcast fear. Why it matters? Consciousness is a 3D printer, and your mind is feeding it blueprints. Your move: guard your focus like a dragon guards gold. Visualize wisely. Gratitude is your steering wheel. Intention is the gas pedal. Landing in your new reality. After surfing these 8 waves, you'll discover you're not merely recovered, you're reborn. The dark night wasn't an apocalypse, it was a cosmic boot camp. Now you carry resilience tougher than myths, compassion deep as ocean trenches, a roadmap for anyone still wandering in the dark. So, what's next? Live it out loud. Write that book. Launch that healing circle. Heal your inner child. Because your value isn't measured by followers, dollars, or gold stars. It's the radiant imprint you leave on every soul you meet. Did any stage hit you right in the feels? Drop a comment, tell me your story, or the sign you're seeing right now. Your words might be the flashlight for someone else still fumbling in the dark. And hey, if this journey lit you up, share it with a fellow traveler. Until next time, keep your heart open, your spirit fearless, and remember, the night only looks endless before the dawn.